All right, guys, I'm out here with the Kaideng K100, and this is that one you just press that button and it pops open like that, which is super cool. Okay, and then you turn it on like that too. Oh yeah, this is a good one, guys. This is a good one. There's another one I haven't flown in a year and a half, but I remember it. I think it does flips. There's no camera. No camera, please. Flips maybe. Let's try this. No. No. I'm just not sure about this thing with flips. There's the rate. Huh. I'm throwing all the trim all out of whack trying to figure out where the flip button is. Okay, there it goes. It's just pushing this in. That's all right. I'll live with this thing does some super nice flips, man. This is a great mini quadcopter. Great. This is better than the X20 SEMA and some of these other ones. Kaideng K100, man. This is as nice as it gets with these little minis. Believe me. You get a pitch on that thing. Oh, yeah, I made it. I saved it. Haha. It's a little bit of headwind going there. That's why it's... Let's get the third rate back going. Okay, I got most of that trim figured back out now after I untrimmed it myself. Yeah, the flips are great on this thing. You know, this is just a beauty, man. Why do you think I still have it? Okay, I never gave this away. Okay, the wind's kicking up a little bit, guys. I gotta just chill out here. Like I said earlier, it's coming in these little gusts. You know, it'll be dead calm for 3-4 minutes, and then you'll just get some wind rolling in. Yeah, any of you guys looking for just some great little in the house deal, yeah, you can't go wrong with this, man. Battery's going down, by the way, just so you know. Won't flip no more. There it goes. Whoop. It's getting ready to go, believe me. Battery on it's not that big. Yeah, if you just want a little, tiny little quad to fly around in the house or the backyard, this is, you can't beat this, you know. And I actually do believe there is a camera version of this K100. So they have a camera version I didn't get. I just got this, you know, the little fly around version. That's all I wanted to do with it anyway. Nice, nice. Real nice. I can't believe the battery's actually lasting this long. From what I remember from my review a year or two ago, it was only go, I think it was 5 minutes maybe. But it's getting ready to crap out because it's not, there it goes. Because it's not, it starts to lose. A lot of these quadcopters I notice, especially these little ones, when you start to lose the power, when it goes below the warning, if you go below the warning, if you land it at the warning, it's fine. But once you start running it too much below the warning, you'll start losing responsiveness with the controller, okay? And so that's probably just a power issue. You know, you're not getting the knack on there like you were when it was fully charged. You know, it'll start lagging and doing stuff like that. Then you know it's really getting ready to go down. So there you go, the Kaideng K100. I love it.